In this video, we will learn to calculate the principal when difference between compound interest and simple interest is given. Now check the question. The difference between the compound interest and simple interest on a sum of money for 3 years at 5% per annum is rupees 76.25. Find the sum of the money. Now here the principal is not mentioned. Now we have to calculate this principal. And here what we observe in this question is the difference between the compound interest and simple interest is given as 76.25. So given is difference, and difference means compound interest minus simple interest, which is equal to 76.25. Now let us first calculate compound interest and simple interest. Simple interest is principal not mentioned, so we assume to be as P, rate is 5%, it is mentioned in the question, and time period is 3 years. So simple interest will be principal into rate into time divided by 100. Principal we assumed as P, and this is 5 into 3 divided by 100. So simple interest we are getting as 15P by 100. So here you may cancel or you can keep this one as it is. Now let's move on to compound interest. So for this also principal, rate and time it will be same. Now here in the last video lesson we use the formula of amount, because here in that question we knew the value of principal. Now here since it is unknown, so we will be using directly the formula of compound interest in order to calculate compound interest. So compound interest is principal into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n minus 1, and principal remains as P. Then replace the value. After LCM we get 105 by 100, so after cancellation we get 21 by 20, and power here we got cube. So in the last video I have already mentioned that here you cannot write as 21 by 20, 21 by 20 and 21 by 20 because here you need to calculate the LCM. So we will expand this term. So 21 cube means 9261, and cube of 20 is 8000. So on here we need to calculate the LCM. So LCM of 8001 will be 8000. So here 8000 divided by 8000 is 1, so 9261, and 8000 divided by 1 is your 8000. So here you get 8000, or you may simply cross multiply. So you get 9261 by minus 8000 by 8000, so which is equal to 1261. So therefore compound interest we are getting as 1261 P by 100. So here you should not subtract, because here we are using directly the formula of compound interest. So subtraction it has already been done here. Now according to the question, so this was given difference between compound interest and simple interest as 76.25. Now compound interest is 1261P by 8000, and simple interest it was 15P by 100. So its LCM will be 8000. So 8000 divided by 8000 is 1. Then here 1 into 1261 P will remain as it is. Now again 8000 divided by 100 will be 80. Now we need to multiply this one by 80. So on multiplication we get this as 1200. 15 into 80, 1200. So these two are like terms, so we can subtract. So you get 61P by 8000, and 76.25 you can write 76.25 divided by 100. So we are replacing the decimals. Now our subject is P, so in order to calculate P, so we will cross multiply. So this 8000 will go up and 61 will come down. So two zeros get cancelled. Now here you can look for its factor of 7625 is coming as 5 into 5 into 5 into 61, and this 80 remains as it is. In the denominator you got 61, so this 2 gets cancelled. Then finally we are left with 5 into 5 into 5 into 80, so which is equal to 10,000. So the required principal is 10,000.